So let's simplify some fractions here. We have 35 over 60. Looks like in this one I know that 5 goes into both of these. 5 times 7 gives us 35, whereas 5 times 12 gives us 60. Cancel out the common factors here, which leaves us with the simplest fraction, 7 over 12. Next one here looks like, let's go ahead and make it easy. I can tell that they have, they're both even, so 2 goes into both of these. 2 times 36, and 2 times, what is this, 54. Cancel out the 2's. Oh, I'm going to see that these are both even again, because if we have 36 over 54, that's like saying 2 times 18 and 2 times 27. Now we have 18 over 27. This looks simplified, but it looks like I can still see that both of these have a factor of 9, because that's 9 times 2 and 9 times 3, which leaves us with our simplest fraction, 2/3. Again, if you find the greatest common factor first, instead of just using the 2's or the smaller numbers, makes it a little bit easier here to answer. You don't have as many steps. But if you're not sure if they're even, at least you can take the steps that you understand. Next up, 21 over 63. So this one here, some weird numbers that I know that 7 goes into both of these. 7 times 3 and 7 times 9. Cancel out the common factors, which leaves me with 3 over 9. And I know that it's 3 times 1 and 3 times 3. So that leaves us with the simplest fraction of 1/3. 10 over 30, pretty simple here. Nice and easy when you have zeros, because that's like saying 10 times 1 and 3 times 10. So I can actually just cancel these zeros out to give me 1/3. Next one here, let's see what goes into these ones. I'm going to choose, let's say 3 on this one. 3 times 2 and 3 times 15. And that cancels out the 3's here, which leaves me with 2 over 15. And that gives me my simplest fraction, because 2 is only 2 and 1, and 15 is not even. 5 and 10, nice and simple here, because it's like saying 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. So that really gives us 1/2. 9 over 24 is like saying 3 times 3 over 3 times 8. Cancel out the common factors. That leaves us with our simplest fraction of 3 over 8. And big numbers to end it off here. Let's say I can tell that 5 goes into both of these because they end with 0 and 5. So that's 5 times 10. And 5 times, well, I don't know, what is it? Let's see here. 5 goes into 125. 25 times. So cool. Looks good to me. Cancel out the 5's here. Gives me 10 over 25, which 5 goes into both of these as well. 5 times 2 and 5 times 5. And that leaves me with my answer here of 2 over 5.